For centuries, creativity has been driven by human hands and minds. But now, a new force enters the world of art: AI. What is at stake when machines learn to create?
Pinaka-first yun ako na-encounter ng AI is sa ako marketing na side. Pati nga alam na how and paspas kayo siya sa, especially sa asset making.
Way back in college, it was first introduced in Adobe Photoshop, the generative AI field. Helpful kayo siya to removing unwanted objects sa photos and other designs.
At first, medyo kulba siya na-encounter kasi that time, hindi ko din alam kung paano, sa musukol kumbaga ba. But when I realized na someone in the graphic design industry, we know na daghan kay graphic designers. And if dili ka mo sabay sa current, imuhang i-fight back ang unsay naa, inevitably, wala man tayo mabuhat, Jud. And evidently ngayon, after pila ka years, nanadyo AI halos tanan, phones, Google, sakyanan, even outside the multimedia industry, tanan. Ang akong ibuhat ato that time, first encounter kay, first gisabot sa Jud na ko siya.
The help of AI or the app mismo, maka-help siya. I mean, ano na siya, mura siya win-win and lose-lose na. The more creatives use the AI version of Adobe, the more na nag-learn si AI po on their end. So, feedback lang po siya.
How the young ones think. Because what happens is, since you're overly reliant with these things, you don't develop the critical thinking aspect anymore. Okay? You can just easily type na lang man. And then you tend to believe na amo na siya ang truth. The verification part, the critical thinking part, is, I think it will be affected too. One of the greatest advantage I see, Jude, is editing. It's much faster. Dili na siya kailangan, Jude, na like before where you have to really do storyboarding, very detailed storyboarding, Jude. Dali na siya ma-fix in case na I don't want to include this shot anymore.
As you know, ang AI kay paspas kay siya maka-generate og mga bagay with simple words. ChatGPT prompts, mag-ask ka kung pwede ba ka matabangan o creative prompts or like need ba ni mag inspiration. Daghan na kay siya mahatag sa imuha.
Which then, ang byproduct din, Ana, is more and more content. But the problem lang is, since paspas naman po itong content, daghan na po basura. Good siya in a sense that paspas ng production.
Yun, ang positivity siguro overall is yun talaga ang the speed of it all, ang workflow of it all.
We should always think of AI as just an enhancement tool and not purely not your thing to use for creation. It's just for enhancement. No, think of it as makeup. No, everybody has its own beauty, and nothing can beat what God has created. But we must also put things into consideration, where we can enhance things and such. So we must think of AI that way. It's just an enhancement tool.
It can really pave the way of making more creatives na mo level up po siya. It's somehow, if it's used correctly, not against it, na kanang it's a tool for expansion, for development, ang areas na matouch dun niya, most of us dun.
Also, collaborative, interactive art can also happen where one artist can generate one thing and the other artist can add on it. So that's something that I look forward to.
Even teachers not in the field of ICT, they are bombarded with students, using ChatGPT and submitting their assignments and tasks to their teachers. And if the teachers are not really capable of detecting it by the other apps that can detect those AI generated assignments of the students, it is hard, especially in the schools where there's no internet at all.
Paggamit ng artificial intelligence ang pinangangambahan ng ilang guro.
It's really a big problem because plagiarism is there.
Ethical considerations, Kay katulagi, pwede niya gamiton ang mga publicly available, like example, mag-post kasi ng Twitter of art na nasa sa public domain, pwede na nagkakuhaon sa AI art. So currently, even ang mga AI developers kay nagapaningkamot pa sila kung saan ni pag-navigate kay even sila kay karon kay sa for example sa Instagram kay naa na AI tag, naa na mga license na ginabaligya and all that. But even if it's like that, mubalik na magusang pero may ginayaw-yaw na it's all about honesty.
But sometimes not only by people, no, who have those really intentions, but sometimes, no, those people who are not intending, but they are really, no, kung sa Bisaya pa, makatinkal. It can be tempted because of that amazing features of AI. 10 years from now, there's a lot of unemployment for humanities. Jack Ma said that.
Wala siya niabot pa sa level na nag-replace na siya traditional job and skills. Challenge ni siya para sa toa as artist kay wala mo tay buhaton kauno dito sa AI. Even though dili pa siya replaceable karon, dili pa siya nag-replace og mga tao karon. Kung walay buhaton ang mga tao, magtanga lang pud sila, dili sila mag-level up sila sarili, moabot jud ang time. So ma-replace sila.
For example, those working at the BPOs, there will be no more of them. In the virtual assistance also, and by the help of the AI applications or the AIs, you can do more and more production in a chunk of time.
Kung dili mo tanawan ng AI as something na makatabang sa imuha or sabto nimo na magamit nimo siya in the right way, mahimo jud kang replaceable when the time comes. When the time comes, not right now but upon.
I am fearing that the tenets and the principles of artists will be affected negatively.
You don't see it as an opportunity to help or enhance or level up yourself, it will become a very scary competitor.
Especially those artists whose hearts are already pure.
I'm not saying na it will eradicate all the problems or the moral dilemmas or suddenly ma-change atong life, but I'm saying na we need to understand it thoroughly. And the only way that we can understand it thoroughly is to give it a chance.
You should master all the traditional skills that you have, may it be in drawing or in writing. And I think that you could just let AI accompany you.
Mahadlok juga dili ko may pagmamatay na lang ko kay sa AI ka. I think that's very backwards kind of thinking. As multimedia artist, multimedia, di ba ta? Video, photo, graphic design, music, everything, everywhere, all at once basically. Need na to sabton nga ang atoang platform and ang atoang art form and basically ang atoang industry always siya naga-evolve, always siya naga-change, but one thing remains, humanity is at the heart of it.
It's up to you to make AI just a tool. You are not dependent on it.
Know your vision, Jude. First of all, know what you really want to do.
You study the tool, you study the software, and then slowly or gradually incorporate it in your workflow.
Do not forget, Jude, to study as well how things are done without AI as well.
You need to master your traditional skills, or you need to master the basic skills and use AI as an accompaniment to enhance it.
Accountability and honesty, and of course, the first step of acknowledging na okay, kani siya kay AI-generated work ni siya.
And consider just it or the AI as just very, or can we say not only very good but excellent tools for the artists. Good day. Thank you.